Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the audios not working on Instagram. You open your Instagram and you don't see that part, the sticker, when you're going to post a story, and you don't see the audios feature. So in this video, stick around. I'm going to show you how to enable this feature if it's not working. If it's not working on your Instagram application, just make sure you stick around and watch the video until the end. And if you're a fan of phone tips tricks, be sure to subscribe. So one of the things that I think would be the problem causing this feature not to be available on your Instagram is running an updated Instagram application. So what you have to do is make sure you update your Instagram application. Go to your Google Play Store and update your Instagram and let it run the latest version from the Google Play Store. Then after that, after updating on installation, all you have to do is speaking of phone tips tricks, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family for more of these nice videos. So after installing the application, running the update, open your Instagram application just like this. When you open and then try to go and try to post a story on your Instagram account, yes, then tap in that part for your story. Then they will direct it to your gallery. All you have to do is go to your gallery and select the photo or picture that you want to post on your story. Then on reaching there, this is the picture I really want to post on my story. Then you tap in that stickers area there, and then you will see something like add audios there. Yes, that is the thing, the feature that was not available before updating. So when you update your Instagram application, the latest version, that feature is enabled by default, and you can be able to customize it just like that. You place it on top of your story, so that in case anyone wants to add something on your what, they can do so. Then after that, you really have to just post your story just like that. So if you picked value in this video, just make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family. Thanks for watching. See you next time.